Look at that. That is pure chocolateness right there. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're going to do a soft, fudgy, moist chocolate cake. Oh, delicious. Straightforward recipe. We're going to knock it all together, shove it in the oven, bake it off, slice it up, put some cream in between and a ganache over the top, and we're done. Let's show you how to do it. Come on. And today I will be using an 8-inch springform tin which I have lined. Okay, first job for us. We got a little bit of cocoa powder in there and some coffee, and we want to be chucking in about a cup of water, and we're going to just dissolve that in there. Nice and straightforward. Give that a little bit of a dissolving and put to one side while we get the rest of it made up. Straightforward. Grab a bowl, all-purpose or plain flour, salt, baking powder, baking soda, cocoa powder, sugar in there. Give it a little mixy. We'll bring all that in now, and then we're going to chuck our wet stuff in there and bring it all together. What an easy cake. In there, oil, whatever oil you prefer. In there, milk, couple of eggs, vanilla, our coffee mix. Give it a whiz. Give it a bring in, and then we'll give it a little whiz again. Look, you can see we got the cocoa powder that's gone up the side. Job done. Now this is a runny batter. There's our tin, lined sides and bottom, and in we go. In there. Okay, it's a layer cake, so we don't have to do any more than chuck it in the oven. Right, we're in the oven. It's 175, 350 in the description as usual. We're going to bake for about 45 minutes, 45 to 55. Stick a skewer in, skewer comes out clean, done. Okay, I'm smelling that. I think we need to be having a look. See what we're like. That ain't cooked. I reckon we gotta go about another 10 minutes on there. Okay, we've had about 10 minutes. I think we need to be having a look in there. Let's see what we've got now. Clean as a whistle. Right, we need that cake out of there. We have got some massive cracks on there, look. Not to worry. Just give it one of those, and this is where all the bakers are going to go, no! I'm having that out of there. We've got a rack. We're going to turn this over onto that rack and leave it to cool. Okay. Whew, that's hot. Just like that. Your ready cake nearly came out of there, look. All we're doing now by turning it over like that, wow, that's hot, we are compressing it. We're compressing the cake down, okay, because we're going to make layers out of it, so it doesn't matter about being puffed up and everything. Don't worry about it, it's absolutely fine. Okay, our cake is cooled enough to go on there. I don't think we even need to open it, do we? It's going to pop straight out, isn't it? There you go. Off there. That is our fudgy cake. Look at that. What a couple of layers on here. So, we're going to come down to about number 2, I think. Now these things are pretty good, you know. You just put them on your knife and you can cut away. So let's just do that, and hopefully it should be level. Okay, let's take that top off there. Alright, we've got a bottom layer there, look, it's still steaming. Okay, in here have some stark melted chocolate. In here I have some cream that I've warmed up. We're going to mix that with that. Hopefully we're going to get a fairly thick mix. Hopefully. And then we're going to let it cool, and then we're going to splatter it inside the cake. I'm just going to add a bit of butter to that actually. Get a bit of butter in there. That's going to give us that lovely buttery flavour in the chocolate. Super duper, we just have to let that cool a little minute to make it more manageable. Okay, come on, let's get going. Cake base on there, and we want to be slapping on some of that chocolate now it's cooled down. Oh, on it goes, come on. Look at that. That's got it on there. Come on, slap it on. Oh, looky there. Get that cream on there, and then we're going to chuck a ganache over the top. Okay, under here I've got some chocolate melting, look nice and steady. Just in a pan of water actually, you know. That'll do. In there with some warm cream. And just give that a mix in. Melt the chocolate, warm the milk, chuck it on, stir it all in. We've got to let it cool down a little minute, you know, we don't want it too hot going on top of our cake. But we want it to run. We've got to run all over the cake. Okay, we've got this warm enough, and it's just a case of, come on. Whoa, look at that thing. Absolutely beautiful. Really, we could have put the chocolate all the way around, but I don't want that. I actually want the chocolate running over like we normally do. Let it set up, and then it's going on a board, and it's going in the fridge. Okay, we need to be getting our cake off there and onto our board. So it's a case of, it's like a pizza. So there we are, that's our fantastic fudgy moist chocolate cake with all that lashings of chocolate on there. We gotta be in on this cake, this really delicious fudgy chocolate cake. In we go. Oh, look at that pure chocolate gooiness. It's like a soft fudgy brownie with all that chocolate. Come on. Look at that. That is pure chocolateness right there. Look at that. That is our extremely fudgy chocolate cake. In here. In here. Oh, it's perfect. Oh. That is a chocolate fan's best cake. That is incredible. That is absolutely delicious. We got a lovely fudgy interior. We got all that chocolate in there. Oh man, what a cake. That is outstanding. So there you are. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make a moist, fudgy chocolate cake. Oh, it's unbelievable. Oh, and if you do like what we're doing, don't forget, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.